आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this is the given question, and in this question we have to set the false statement among the following three options. There are three options given to us, option 1, 2 and 3, and from these three options we have to select the false one. Okay, so let's start. Although we know that this is a rule, so it is true, and this is also true, so this will be false basically. So but since we are here to solve this, so we'll solve this using truth table. First of all, we'll solve this one by one. For option 1, let's consider option 1. Here we have p variable means 2 raised to power 1, that is 2 rows will be there in truth table. So let me draw the truth table for this option 1. So this is the truth table for p variable, true false, and its contradiction is false true. Okay, so this is this operator, it is AND operator. If any of the input is false, the answer will be false. So here one input is false, so answer will be false, and here it is also false. So we can conclude that option 1, that is P and contradiction of P, is a contradiction. Okay, because here both the answers that we got after truth table are false. So similarly we'll do for option 2, that is, okay, let's do for option 3 first, because it is very easy for option 3 also. Then we'll do for option 2. Okay, so let me just draw this again, truth table again. So this is the truth table, and here it is OR operator. OR operator state that if any of the input is true, the output will be true. So true, and yes, there is also true. So we can see that both the options are true. So option 3, we can state that option 3, that is P or negative of P, is total. Okay, it is also true. C, option this is true, and option 1 is also true. So let's start solving option 3, that is, so this is option 2. So let's work on this option. So it is given that there are two variables, so 2 raised to power 2, and there will be 4 rows. Okay, so let's make truth table for this. Let me first make truth table for P and Q. So this is the truth table for P and Q variable. So now we have to find negative of P, negotiation of P, and Q also. So let's make truth column for this also. It will be false, false. Just change the truth values for P and alternate the truth values for Q. It will be false, true, false, true. Okay, now what we have to calculate, we have to get the truth value for P implies Q, and this, it is given to us in the question. So let's find the truth values for these also. So see, let me write here for rough. If A implies B, okay, if A is true and B is false, then only the output will be false. Okay, for the rest of other inputs, the output will be true. And if this condition satisfy, that I have highlighted, this condition satisfy, then answer will be false. Okay, so now just look at P and Q column, this P and this Q. So now what we'll do, P and Q, both are true, answer will be true. True and false, condition satisfies, false. It will be true, it will be true. And for this, now you will consider which rows? First you will consider Q, negative of Q, and this negative of P. So what we'll get? Just look this first and look this after that. Okay, false and false, output will be true. True and false, output will be false. And this false and true, true, true and true, true. Okay, so this, suppose this as x, it will be easier for us to write here x. Now what we'll see here, p implies q and this function, and here it is equivalent operator in between. So now this x is equals to this function. So look at this and this, because here we are given implies operator in this. Okay, so we can say that this both are equal, implies means equal. Yes, both are true, so true. Both are false, yes, these both are equal. Both are equal, true, yes, so we'll write true. Both are true, yes, we'll write true. Okay, so basically what we got from this truth table, that all the options are true. So this function, that is option 3, is tautology. So if we look at the options, okay, this is right, but here it is written is a contradiction, so this is wrong. So false option among the all three option is, so we can say option 2 is false. We were required to find the false statement among the options, so option 2 is false. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।